Hi, I'm Mike of Convolution Cloud, and we're here today at St Saviour's Church in Guildford. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a mono impulse response, a sample of this acoustic space, using Apple's impulse response utility and a sine-sweep as our impulse source. For this, you will need Apple's impulse response utility. This comes stock with Logic, a USB or FireWire sound card, a microphone. We'll be using the SE4400A set to omnidirectional, a set of headphones, and a speaker. We'll be using a studio monitor. Let's get started. I've plugged both the microphone and the studio monitor into the interface, and I will now play some reference audio through the studio monitor. This can be found on the resources page of the website. Playing the reference audio through the studio monitor while monitoring through these headphones means I can walk around the church with this microphone trying to find the nicest sounding spot in this space. Now that we have found the sweet spot in this space, the next step will be to set up Apple's impulse response utility on your computer or laptop. When you open Apple's impulse response utility, you will be prompted to choose a track layout for recording. Choose the mono configuration from the drop-down menu and click OK like so. Now make sure that the sweep channel is set to the correct output. I'm going to be using output 1. You will also need to make sure that the input is set up correctly. In my case, I will be using input 1. Next, you will need to set your sweep length to either 10 or 50 seconds, but this is completely up to you. I will be using a 10-second sweep. When you have done this, click the record button here. We are now ready to record our mono impulse response using a sine sweep. To start the process, click the sweep button here. After the sweep has been captured, you will be prompted to save it. Save the file somewhere familiar, as you will need to access it in the last part of this process. Now that you have done this, the option to deconvolve your sine sweep is given here on the left hand side. Click deconvolve and the sine sweep you have recorded will be deconvolved into a click. This is your impulse response. You can also audition it by clicking here. After this, save the project so you can extract the WAV file, ready to be uploaded to convolutioncloud.com. To do this, find the impulse response utility file you saved in a familiar place and right-click. Click Show Package Content. This will bring up all the files within your project. The impulse response will be named 1.aif. Double-click on the text and change the name from .aif to .wav. It's also a good idea to change the file name. Move or copy the impulse response to a different location on your computer, ready to be uploaded to convolutioncloud.com and to be used in your favourite convolution reverb plugin or device. And now we're done. Thanks for watching this video and happy uploading.